Hello. What a beautiful morning that it is. Just out here checking our straps early in the morning. Well, let me phrase that. Early for me. Just checking everything out. Hearing my squeak that I had to hear all night long that I'm ready to lose my mind with. Long story short, had a coolant hose break. Well, not break. Clamp broke. Upper radiator hose. Spewed coolant everywhere. Downtown Atlanta. Well, not downtown. In the loop of Atlanta during rush hour. Stuck out there in the middle lane. That was fun. But ever since then, I've had that obnoxious squeak. So I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to replace the belt and the tensioner. Should have replaced the tensioner last time I replaced the belt, so that's what I get. So anyways, it's the morning. We're loaded. We're going to go down to Millen, Georgia, and knock this wallboard off. Probably bounce over to Savannah, pick up another load of wallboard, and then from there, I have no idea. I need to get out of here and out of the middle of the road because it's dangerous over here at this rest area. We're just gonna finish up our pre-trip here and then we are on our way. Stay tuned. It's been a hot one today. I've already driven around this plant like 4 times, going to the wrong area. So let's go see if we can figure out where we're supposed to go. And if you can't tell, at some prefab trailer place. I originally pulled in over there, which is their address, and then I had to figure out how to get over here. So it is 97. Man, I haven't dealt with this heat past couple weeks and it has been nice. I have not missed this right now whatsoever, having to drive 2 tarps. Oh, where do we go? What do we do? I think my ass is gonna sit right here and wait for someone to tell me where to go. There she is, all buttoned up, ready to go. Shit tarp job, you can't help it whenever it's preloaded, and that's what you get. You just gotta make it do. All that plus side is, that's new. The autofill. I hate picking up these old raggedy ass trailers. But we are over here at Gold Bond, Savannah, Georgia. And I don't really care for coming here. But we're here, we're loaded, and we're on our way. Taking this up to Wake Forest, North Carolina, by Raleigh. And no idea what time we're gonna get there. We ain't got a whole lot of time left today. You know, life sometimes thinks it's real funny. And we are up over here. I'm going to show you something I caught last night that I am now going to get fixed this morning. Sorry, I'm walking sketchy ass area. Yeah. I believe that's a bit of a problem. She ain't completely flat somehow. She's almost there. Another slit down there. Actually, I feel air coming out. So yeah. So our morning's gonna consist of. We are back rolling. I've never honestly had a service happen that fast ever, I think, in my life. So I called down the number I call for, you know, things that happen to their trailers. And right down the road, there was a Michelin service center, and I think this was at like 7:30 in the morning, and they didn't open up till 8. So I had to wait, called them, opened up, and they're like, oh yeah, sure, bring it on down, we'll get you right in. Which, you know, I've heard that before. It's better than a service call, but probably still gonna be there for a minute, especially if they just opened. And sure as shit, I pulled in. I was in and out of there with a tire changed and replaced in less than 20 minutes. Granted, they didn't have to take the rim off or anything because it was an outside tire, but I mean, I really just wanted to go sit down and have some breakfast and wait on a service call, and that kind of got me all messed up. I don't know too many people that complain about having fast service, but I don't know. Today I was, but so if anybody needs to get a tire repaired and quickly, I'm gonna give them a shout out. Snyder Tire Service in Florence, South Carolina, right there at exit. What was that? 164.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny.
Yeah, that's what we're out here dealing with. Broken belts. Alright, we got shit to do. Let's get going. keep sliding down.
You know what? If you go back on the road you came up, if they bitch at me for blocking the road, they should have a better stone fucking roadway.
Yeah, because when I keep, you know, rutting in, I'm gonna end up sliding right into this.
You just pull out and then get over on the road you were on. I'll just block the road for now.
Okay, I mean, if they need me to move, you know, I'll move in the meantime, but all right.
Hopefully you can get the fuck out now.
Yeah, we'll be all right. That's exactly why I left the chain on too, just in case.
Back up some and then hook this side, and if a car comes they can drive up on that hill and get around you still.
Okay.